Hello, my name is John Jesse from Highsville Elementary STLP, and I'm going to be doing a balance equation for 8 times 3. I split it up into 2 parts, which is 5 times 3, and we have a missing number. It's going to be add blank times 3. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to figure out what 8 times 3 is, and that's going to be 24. And you're going to bring down your equal sign. And then 5 times 3 is 15. Bring down your add sign. Put your blank here. And then what plus 15 will equal 24? That'll be 9. And then what times 3 would equal 9? 3. So you put your 3 up here in your blank. And then 24, you bring down a 24, and you bring down your equal sign again. And then 15 add 9 is 24.